Hey guys, it's your girl Shelbeatzzz coming at you today with the emerald green smoky eye using Juvias palettes. As you know, I go in filling those brows in with my Top Brow Kish Professionals pencil in the shade Black Brown. I like my brows perfect, so I go in 105 times. Then I'm going to clean my brows up with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade 46 Deep Golden. And then I go across the top with the same concealer. I know you're not supposed to because you'll have that halo eye, but you know, who says there are rules in makeup? Go back and fill in where you have lost a little bit of brow. No biggie. Then I'm priming my eyes with the same concealer. Pat, pat, blend, blend. Until it's nice and smooth. Then I'm using one of my real techniques, buffing brushes, just to go in and make it even more smooth. And these brushes are so expensive. I got 2 of these for $8. Now I am going to set my eyes with that Maybelliene Loose Fit Me powder. First, I went in with my Nubian 2 palette and I used the shade Morocco. And I packed that Morocco shade in. The next shade I went in with was Fez from the Sharan 2 palette. And I'm using that right in the crease. And then I'm just going to blend out those edges with my fluffy blending brush. I use the shade Aziza out of the Sharan 2 palette on the brow bone. And listen, I'm probably saying these names all wrong. I am trying the best to get it to the closest pronunciation as possible. Then I went back in with that Fez shade just to deepen it up a little bit more in the crease. Then I pulled out my favorite, the Magic Mini palette, and I took that shade Zakia and Nana and kind of mixed the two to blend out that fizz. And then after that, I went in the crease with this blue shade. It's called Jaybee. And now I'm gonna cut my crease with that Colourpop concealer. Take your time. It's not going to be perfect, and I have to remind myself that all the time. And then I put a little bit of that loose powder, the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder on that concealer so it doesn't start cracking up. For the lid shade, I'm going to use this iridescent green looking color. It's called Buzzo in the Magic Palette. And you literally have to take your time packing that shade on. I did spray it, spray my brush with my finishing spray just to give it that foil look. And then here is where you'll see me going in at the outer crease with the shade Aja. Now in the palette it looks like a shimmer shade, but on the eye it came out matte and it looked really, really pretty, and it just helped the look that I was going for, that smoked out but not too smoky look. And you can make your crease as dark as you would like. Looking back, I probably should have made it even darker, but that's okay. It still turned out cute. And then for the inner tear ducts, I used the color Yamaja or Yamoja. And it's like a iridescent blue, silver, like an ice blue shade. Then I went in with my NYC liquid liner. It's my favorite liner, and they don't even sell it in the United States anymore. You can get it on Amazon though, or Canada. Then I'm going in with my Maybelline mascara. My Angel Veil primer is the only primer that I have been using at the moment because it gives me that airbrush finish that I like. Using my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 355 Coconut. And again, I'm going back in with that concealer by Colourpop in the shade 46 Deep Golden. Then I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade, Cheastnut to contour. And then I set with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder in 355. Then I went and did my contour with my Black Radiance Rich Mahogany bronzer or contour shade. And then the last part is where I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the Sun Dripped. And I use like all 4 of the shades in this palette. Mix all 4 of them. Then you want to blend out that excess. And then I went under the eye with that matte green. Well, it's not matte green, but that shade Asia out of the Magic Palette. And then closer to the eye, I use that Boozoo shade. Now I'm putting on my favorite lashes, my Eyellure lashes in the style Jaybee. I'm getting new lashes. I'm waiting for them to come in. Then I use my Diamond Dust lip gloss by Fenty Beauty. The camera is giving this lip gloss no justice, but it looks really good with this eye. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.